How to see the first WhatsApp message without scrolling. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now before we proceed, you want to make sure to go ahead and update the WhatsApp application. This can ensure that you have the feature that we are going to be demonstrating today. But basically right after, let's now go ahead and open our WhatsApp account. You want to go ahead and select on the conversation that you want to view the first message with. Once inside the specific conversation, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this specific button right here, which is at the corner of your screen above the name of the conversation. And by doing that, you will be able to see the first message without scrolling. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.